What do you think, bud? You want to give this another shot? Ready? Makes for some pretty sloppy rescue maneuvers, hey? Looks like we found another one, bud. Oh, that why you're pouting, baby boo? We'll try this on. For the one-legged. Oh, and it's ugly. So, what should we name it? Itchy armpit it is. What do you reckon, bud? Think we might find a few timber?
Happen now.
Oh, you're gonna love this.
Ida Burke, son. And I couldn't be prouder.
Ah, thanks, Dad. Ugh.
But you know, there is something out there.
Hiccup.
What happened here? All right, easy, bud.
What are you doing? Talking about?
You think we did this? He says we're going. Now, we need to tell you about this new land. Boy, these guys are trappers. Dragon. I've never seen anything like it. And worst of all, they thought we did it.
Aye, Gobber's right, son. Best we keep to our own. Besides, you'll have more important uses for you.
They are building a dragon army. Come on! Excuse us. Forgot. Can't have armed prisoners.
He can be really persuasive.
Once you've earned his loyalty, there is nothing a dragon won't do for you. May I? What are you guys doing here? No.
The cold, I just feel
Free. Man, almost. How did you get in here? Oh, you know, catching up with Mom. You know where I get my dramatic flair. What you got, bud? Attaboy.